Hello and welcome to Keen Aspirant. In this video, we will learn all the important dates in the year. So let's get started. NRA Day is celebrated on 9th of January. In this day, Gandhiji had come back to India after the victory of Africa. Next, World Hindi Day is celebrated on 10th of January. World Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January. World Youth Day, as you are aware, so you have to remember it. Army Day is celebrated on 15th of January. Next, National Voters Day is celebrated on, as you are a citizen of a democratic country, so you have the right to give vote. So after completing your age of 18, you have the right to give vote. So the National Voter Day is celebrated on 25th January. Indian's Republic Day is celebrated on, as you know, in this date our constitution had come into force. In 26th January we celebrate the Indian Republic Day. Next, Martyr Day or Shahid Divas is celebrated on 13th January. World Leprosy Eradication Day is celebrated on every year last Sunday of January. In 2021, it was celebrated on 31st January. In this day, it was Sunday, last Sunday of January. Next, World Cancer Day is celebrated on 4th of January. Day of Zero Tolerance Female Genital Mutilation is celebrated on Female Genital Mutilation Day is celebrated on 6th of February. International Day of Women and Girls in Science is celebrated on 11th February. International Day of Women and Girls in Science is celebrated on 11th February. World Women's Day is celebrated on 13th of February. Next, World Day of Social Justice is celebrated on 20th February. National Science Day is celebrated on It is celebrated on 28th February. World Civil Defense Day is celebrated on It is celebrated on 1st of March. National Security Day is celebrated on National Security Day. You have to remember this because national security, it is the hot news in current affair every day. So you have to definitely remember this date, 4th March. 4th March we celebrate National Security Day. Next, International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March. World Kidney Day is celebrated on second Thursday in March. So it was on in 2021. It was on 11th March. In 11th March, it was second Thursday. Next, World Disabled Day and World Consumer Rights Day is celebrated on. It is celebrated on 15th of March. International Day of Happiness is celebrated on Happiness Day. International Happiness Day is celebrated on. It is celebrated on 20th March. Next, World Forestry Day. World Forestry Day is celebrated on 21st of March. Next, World Water Day is celebrated on 22 of March. Because the world is going to face water scarcity. So we have to remember this date definitely. Next, World Meteorological Day is celebrated on 23rd of March. Water Day After the water day, it is meteorological day. World Tuberculosis Day is celebrated on 24th of March. 24th of March we celebrate World Tuberculosis Day. Next, National Maritime Day is celebrated on 5th of April. 5th of April we celebrate National Maritime Day. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th of April. It is very important because of the pandemic of COVID-19. Next, World Heritage Day is celebrated on World Heritage Day is celebrated on 18th of April. World Liver Day is celebrated on 19th April. Civil Service Day is celebrated on 21st April. Those who are giving the UPSC examination, you have to remember it. Earth Day is celebrated on Earth Day. We are living on the surface of Earth, so we have to remember this day. It is 22 of April. National Panchayati Day is celebrated on 24th of April. World Malaria Day is celebrated on 25th of April. Next, World Intellectual Property Day is celebrated on 26th of April. Next, Ayushman Bharat Divas is celebrated on 30th of March. Ayushman Bharat Divas is related to our health sector, so you have to remember it because of COVID-19. Workers' Day or International Labour Day. International Labour Day is celebrated on 1st of May. Press Freedom Day is celebrated on 3rd of May. Next, World Laughter Day is celebrated on every year 1 Sunday of May. In 2021, it was celebrated on 2nd of May. 2nd of May, it was first Sunday this year. So we have celebrated this in 2 May. World Asthma Day is celebrated on 1st Thursday of May. 1st Thursday in 2021, it was on 4th May. 4th of May, we have celebrated Asthma Day in this year. Mother's Day is celebrated on Mother Day also celebrated on 2nd Sunday of May. In 2021, we have celebrated in 9th of May. Next, World Athletics Day is celebrated on 7th of May. Next, World Red Cross Day is celebrated on World Red Cross Day. It is very much important. It is celebrated on 8th of May. National Technology Day is celebrated on 11th of May. Next, World AIDS Vaccine Day and International Museum Day is celebrated on 18th of May. National Anti-Terrorism Day. National Anti-Terrorism Day is celebrated on 21st of May. 21st of May, we celebrate National Anti-Terrorism Day. Commonwealth Day is celebrated on 24th of May. Next, Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st of May. Next, World Environmental Day is celebrated on World Environmental Day. It is most important. It is celebrated on every year 5th of June. Next, Father's Day is celebrated on 3rd Sunday of June. World Ocean Day is celebrated on 8th of June. World Ocean Day. Next, Anti-Child Labor Day is celebrated on 12th of June. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated on 14th June every year. World Refugee Day. It is also a hot topic in this year because lots of Myanmari refugees came into India after the civil uprising in the Myanmar. So it is in the 20th June. International Day of Yoga is celebrated on 21 June. Yoga Day. It is also very much important. Next, International Day of Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is celebrated on. It is celebrated on 26th June. Doctors Day is celebrated on 1 July. World Population Day. World Population Day is celebrated. It is celebrated on 11th of July. World Day for International Justice is celebrated on. International Justice Day is celebrated on 17th July. Next, International Nelson Mandela Day is celebrated on. 18th of July. World Hepatitis Day is celebrated on. It is also celebrated on 28th of July. International Friendship Day is celebrated on. Every year first Sunday of August. In 2021 we will celebrate it in 1 August because in 1st August it will be Sunday. Hiroshima Day is celebrated in 6th August. Quit India Day and International Day of World's Indigenous People is celebrated on 9th August. In this day, Gandhiji gave the slogan, "Do or die, karo ya maro." Indian Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. International Youth Day is celebrated on 12th of August. Photography Day, World Humanitarian Day is celebrated on 9th of August, 19th August. National Sport Day is celebrated on 29th of August, National Sport Day. Teachers Day and Sanskrit Day is celebrated on, you all know it is 5th September. International Literacy Day is celebrated on 8th of September. International Day of Democracy is celebrated on 15th September. International Day of Democracy. World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September. Day for Peace and Non-Violence is celebrated on Day for Peace and Non-Violence by UN. It is celebrated on 21st of September. World Tourism Day and World Maritime Day is celebrated on 27th September. Gandhi Jayanti and International Day of Non-Violence is celebrated on 12th October. World Animal Welfare Day is celebrated on 4th of October. Next, Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th of October. World Post Office Day is celebrated on World Post Office Day is celebrated on 9th of October. Where? 9th of October. Next, National Post Day is celebrated on and World Mental Health Day is celebrated on 10th of October. 10th of October, World Mental Health. Because of Corona pandemic, because of lockdown, the mental health patients are growing rapidly. World Students Day is celebrated on 15th of August. National Girl Child Day. It is also very much important day because government is providing lots of facility to adopt girl child. So National Girl Child Day, it is also very much important day. It is celebrated on 11th October. World Food Day is celebrated on 16th of October. Next, National Unity Day. National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st of October. Next, we come to November. World Tsunami Day is celebrated on 5th of November. National Cancer Day. National Cancer Awareness Day is celebrated on 7th of November. Legal Service Day is celebrated on 9th of November. Legal Service Day is celebrated on 9th of November. Next, Children's Day and Diabetes Day is celebrated on 30th of November. With Children's Day, Diabetes Day also is celebrated on 14th November. World Television Day is celebrated on 21st of November. World Television Day is celebrated on 21st of November. Next, International Day of Solidarity with Palestine people. As you know, recently it was in news, Palestine and Israel, there was a conflict between these two countries. So this Palestine Solidarity of Palestine Day is celebrated in 29th November. World AIDS Day is celebrated on 1st December. National Pollution Control is celebrated day. National Pollution Control is celebrated on 2nd of December. National Pollution Control Day. National Pollution Control Day is celebrated on 22nd December. World Day of Handicapped is celebrated on 3rd of December. World Day of Handicapped is celebrated. Next, Indian Navy Day. We have read about the Indian Air Force Day in previous pages. It is Indian Navy Day is celebrated on 4th of December. Indian Armed Force Flag Day. Is celebrated on 7th of December. Human Rights Day and International Children's Day of Broadcasting is celebrated on 10th of December. World Energy Conservation Day is celebrated on 14th of December. Next, Vijay Diwas is celebrated on 16th of December. Next, Minority Rights Day is celebrated on 18th of December. Next, Kisan Diwas and Farmers Day. As we had farmers protest in our country before the lockdown, so it is also very important. So Kisan Diwas is celebrated on 23rd of December. National Consumer Day is celebrated on 24th December. 24th December we celebrate National Consumer Day. Next, Christmas Day is celebrated on 25th December. You know that we celebrate Christmas every year 25th of December. Next, we have forgotten to mention about the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti in January month. So Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti is celebrated on 23rd of January.